Hey, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are here to stay. Today we are going to be running a few errands, going to a few stores. First stop is Ulta to get some new foundation and concealer. The girls say NARS is that girl, so that's what I got. Next stop, we went to Aldi's. I want to do a juice cleanse because I've been eating like crazy on vacation, okay? So it's time to cleanse this body out and get a cart full of fruit, as you will see. Anybody else always forget their quarter at Aldi's? I had to go back to the cart because I completely forgot the quarter for the cart, but we move on. Now hear me out. I know I said we're here to get fruit, and you know, I walked past the wine section, and technically wine is fruit, right? Do you consider wine fruit? Anywho, I got the wine because it's Aldi's and the prices are like, look at this, $4, $5, $12, $3 for wine. Like, you can't beat that. So I picked me up a bottle. I got the pineapple. I still haven't tried it yet. I'm gonna give it a try and let y'all know. If y'all tried Aldi's wine before, let me know in the comments and tell me which one to get, because I don't know. I just got the pineapple because it looked good. So the fruits and the veggies are secured. I got a little bit of everything. Carrots, celery, that's not romaine. Pineapples, bell peppers, kiwis, papaya, mango, cucumber. I also bought a brand new juicer from Amazon. It's by a brand called List. And honestly, I am not mad at it. It is really nice. It came in this silver and black color. You'll see once I open the box. It came with a cute juice manual and a cute juice book to help you make a few juices really fast. It's a really cute book. It's super small, so it's not many juice options in there, but it does what it needs to do. So if you guys need a juicer, I would say definitely check out this one from Amazon. It wasn't that expensive. I think I paid maybe $40 for it. I know it wasn't more than $50, and it was currently on sale. So yeah, go get you one. Okay, so look, I bought this papaya, right? And I was gonna do the parasite cleanse. If you haven't heard about the parasite cleanse, what you do is you get a papaya and you scoop out some seeds. I don't think it needs to be more than 2 or 3 seeds, and you swallow those entire seeds. Now, when you swallow the seeds, they're supposed to attach to intestinal worms in your digestive tract, of course. And it's supposed to pull the worms out. Now, I was supposed to do it, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I got kind of creeped out and I was scared. So I'm gonna wait to do it. I'm gonna wait till my husband comes back and we can do it together, so that when I do it, if I freak out, I have someone there to help me calm myself down, because y'all, I'm scared. I'm not even gonna lie. So one of the juices that I absolutely wanted to make was from the herbalist YAHKI Awakening. If you know, you know, he's a popular black herbalist all over social media. If you don't know about him, you've probably been under a rock, just being honest, okay? So this recipe was celery, mainly green apples, lime, cayenne pepper, and turmeric. I might be missing a few ingredients just off the top of my head, but if you want to try out this juice, then go ahead and check out his YouTube channel. It's YAHKI Awakening. I might put it in the description box. If I don't, just comment below and tell me if you want to try out this juice. And if you have already tried out this juice, let me know how you liked it. I like it. I think it was pretty good. It wasn't too bad on the taste. It was actually pretty good. I'm not even gonna lie. I've had some juices that taste like I don't want to cuss, but they taste like you know. This juice was pretty good. Pretty good. So here it is, me bottling up. When you're all done, it looks like this pretty vibrant green color. So yeah, so we're gonna move on to our next juice. This is just one I made up myself. Mango, carrot, pineapple, strawberries. Cut those up. Get your papaya. I used a little bit of papaya flesh. As I said, y'all, I did not do that parasite cleanse because I was scared. Because if I see a worm come out, I don't know what I would do. I might pass out. I might just pass out. But yeah, if you guys try the parasite cleanse, let me know in the comments. I want to know. How was it? Were you scared? Did you see anything? Let me know. Okay? So this is the third juice I made. It's kiwi, strawberry, pineapple, ginger, and a little bit of cayenne. This juicer did not blend the carrot as well as I think it should have, but it is what it is, okay? So if you enjoyed this quick juicing video, something a little different on this channel, I'm trying to switch it up a little bit. If you enjoyed this, let me know. If y'all want to see more videos like this, let me know. And once again, I want to thank you for watching all the way to the end. Please be sure to share, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!